Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a very simple DIY face pack cum scrub. So let's get started. I'm taking some oats into a bowl and then I'm going to add some milk into this. I'm also going to add honey, giving it a good mix, and it's ready for application. I'm applying it using my fingers and I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes. The milk and the honey is really nourishing for the skin, and oats work as a wonderful exfoliator. After 5 minutes, I'm going to massage my skin to exfoliate and get rid of all the dead skin cells for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my face, and here it is. Beautiful and glowing skin. My skin feels really nourished and soft. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. I will see you in my next one. Bye.